for him to have more room for his playtime. Yeah. It does have some interesting side effects. If you know, you know. It makes you like extra juicy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Got a bunch of things on Amazon for the baby. I'm just gonna do like a little unboxing. Ignore all this. I'm sure you guys can hear him in the background, but yeah, let's get started. I kind of forgot some of the stuff I did, but let's see. Okay, so he is 4 months now, so we are gonna start getting him on rice cereal. We're gonna start to do like the purees, fruits and vegetables and stuff. Oh, this is a big one. This is for when we wash his clothes. It keeps it smelling like baby. These are freezer trays, so we're gonna start putting like fruits, vegetables, and you know, healthy stuff. And then you freeze it in the freezer, and it's like a little popsicle for him. He's gonna start teething soon. They say in like 6 months, but he does everything kind of early. So this is like a pacifier, but you put teething cream so it like soothes his gums, because we do think he already started teething. This is more teething stuff, a daytime, nighttime gel. So I'm sure you guys saw other babies in like the furries, like a little bear onesie. So yeah, he's gonna be so cute in this. So basically you put whatever puree in there, and it's kind of like a pacifier, and it squeezes out through the top. So I'm excited for that. I think this is a styrofoam mat. I'm not sure. Yes, a styrofoam mat. He has gotten much bigger. We used to have like this little cloth mat, like a little circle, but he rolls and stuff now, trying to start crawling, so he needs more space. So I got these styrofoam mats. I'll insert what they look like, and you basically put them together and you see how many comes with. So it can get really big or as small as you need for him to have more room for his playtime. I forgot what this is, the heaviest one. Oh, these are big sizes. I thought these were like the small sizes. This is laundry detergent, baby laundry detergent. These go together. Yeah, I gotta get all this stuff washed, sanitized. I'm not sure how I'm gonna wash this. I might just have to wipe it down. Let's see what it says. So after opening packages and before you use, ventilate for at least 24 hours. I'm gonna open this up, and I'm probably gonna lay it out throughout the house and let it ventilate for 24 hours. I thought I would be able to use it today, but it ventilated, so. And I got this color. They had different colors you could get, but if you know like about babies, high contrast images, black and white is good for their eye development. So I got black, light, creamish white, and gray. It matches the decor, and it's still good for his development. Is he okay? Hungry? These are the styrofoam thingies, and yeah, I got a bunch of them, so you can imagine how like big the mat can get. Ventilate for 24 hours, so I'm gonna sit this probably all over there, and I'll be back. So I can't use it today because you have to ventilate for 24 hours.
Also like from elementary school. Yeah.
Hi. He's like, whatever. All right, guys, so I'm about to lay this stuff out. All right, and because he is getting bigger, I'm going to go ahead and sanitize using toy sets. I remember when we got these and I was like, he won't need this for a while, but he really does. This is so cute. I feel like he's advanced.
How many months is this one?
So, what, this? 6? I'm gonna let all this soak first.
This
Yeah.
That'll be mixed up. That's just regular formula, man.
Oh, I'm like...
Yeah, you shaking the shit out of it.
You going to the store?
I can stop.
Okay, get like a little baby.
Where's this thing? This one I had?
Yeah. A baby. These are some of the vitamins that I take. I've kind of been slacking, but I definitely need to get back on them. Iron, because, you know, iron. My women's multivitamin. Every woman should have one. This is a turmeric and ginger. This is really good for your skin. I was taking the maca pills, but since I'm taking that, I'm not sure if I'm going to continue taking this. This helps with a lot of things. It's really good for fertility and reproductive health, as you can see. That's what I was taking it for. It does have some interesting side effects. If you know, you know. It makes you like extra juicy. This is B12. This is D3 and K2 with coconut oil. So right now I'm going to restock this. I kind of just redid it, but it's like 2 I want to refill. I'm about to do that right now, and I will be right back. Here you go, guys. This thing be packed full, but it's like I'm trying to get in the best health I possibly can. And I also take a form of like a collagen powder that I include in my smoothies, protein shakes and whatnot. Normally my husband makes us a fruit and veggie smoothie, and we put like collagen in the other stuff. It's actually over there. That's a whole nother video though. So you guys, I'm about to make my smoothie. This is normally the smoothie I do after the gym. It's also for gaining weight. This is the weight gainer and protein powder I use. And these are more so just for good fats for weight gain. Bananas. Oh, and I left, let's see, blueberries. I also put frozen blueberries in them. So this is the shake. It's really good for you, like I said, but it's also for gaining weight. So if you're not trying to gain weight, I would take out oats, the weight gainer of course, and less peanut butter than I use. But yeah, here we go. Anywho, jeez. And I don't put my smoothie in like an aesthetic-y cup or anything. I just put it in my gym water bottle. And yeah, I just drink on this throughout the day. Well, not throughout the day. I try to get it all done at once, but it's stopping about here. So you guys, when we went to the store, I got this mango and it was like not right. It was super hard. So I was told that you're supposed to put the mango in a paper bag and it will basically ripen it. So let's see if it worked. Wow, it is definitely softer than it was. I am going to leave it in a little bit longer, but yes, I would say it works. So I'm going to put that back in there. Let it sit a little longer. Because they didn't have like any soft mango, so I just had to get what I wanted to get. So let's see. Ooh, it's ready. Ooh, this one's really good. So I'm gonna cut this up. I'm gonna put it in one of these. So I have never cut a mango because I always buy them, you know, already cut up. Because I'm like, why am I buying mango for so much more money? You know, just to have it pre-cut, when I could just buy a whole mango, have more. All I gotta do is cut it up. Something wrong with my battery, you guys. Like, I just charged it all the way up As soon as I put it in, it's on 24%. And now my camera's about to shut up. Like, what's going on? Here. Okay. Yep. So good. I saw a meme and it was like, this is Virgo every 2 seconds. Constantly wiping our hands. Because seriously. I'm so tempted to eat all of this. Yeah, it's the mango. I'm also gonna finish, these are cherry tomatoes with seasoned salt. I cut some onions up and soaked it in apple cider vinegar. It's so good. Then I cooked yesterday some HelloFresh. So I'm gonna heat this ravioli up. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna be my night.